today again the same strategy, RSI support and resistance strategy. I want everybody who's following this strategy to become so sure about their edge, the kind of trades that they're going to place. Okay, what am I making sure? That you are sure and you are so confident in placing these trades using RSI support and resistance strategy. So today is the options chart that I'm checking, and I have already taken a trade, made approximately $1,000 today, and this was the next trade that I wanted to show you all. This one. Okay, so now before going ahead and explaining what happened here, I would like to first jump into the RSI side of it and explain why I think this trade is as per our strategy. Now I will take the path, I will draw the path from here. Now let's say, see, look at the previous lines, okay, of RSI. Previous line is going from here, okay, started going from here, up, again down, up, again down, up, again down, but it's not crossing the upper limit 60. It's not, right? It's not crossing. Now again it has come down, again here, again here, again it took support here. So it was a good buy at this area, okay, because it took support. Not a very confident buy, but a good buy. I would say 70% confident, okay. Now it went here, and see how good the resistance is. Okay, it is expected that from here the resistance, because of the resistance, the price will come down. Along with this, the movement of the RSI line and the kind of perfect resistance it has taken on the upper limit 60. I also see the candle. Now let's zoom in more. This candle, why I'm so confident about this candle is, and this is as per my strategy, is because the body of the candle is bigger than both the wicks, the upper and the lower wicks, and both the wicks are almost of the same size. I do see that the lower wick is a bit smaller, but if you compare it, it is almost similar to the upper wick, right? So because of these two parameters, I am placing this trade. And the third thing is how much money you're putting on the line to lose. Third parameter, how much money you're putting on the line so that if you lose it, you know how much you're losing it, right? It's not a blind fold trade. The low of this candle is 79.70 and the high is 70 and the high is 85.15. So I am just putting approximately 5 rupees on the line, right? If I lose, it'll be 5 into 75. But if I win this trade, it can be anything, right? I can go up to this level. Let's say I can go up to 72. Yeah, this was a bit sideways. Where is that? Maybe here. Maybe here. Come on, where are you? Rectangle, perfect. Here the market went sideways, right? And according to what I see, the next price movement down will be somewhere near this, and it will again go up a little from here. Okay, so if I placed a trade at 79, I have entered the market, and now when I come here, I'll be at 68. That means again approximately 10 to 11 points profit, right? So I hope you have understood what I have just explained. This is the same example that I have given in multiple different ways in different markets in Nifty futures and Nifty options. And this is a 3-minute time frame. The upper limit is 60, the lower limit is 40. And this is exactly what you have to do. Just wait for the moment when the RSI is taking support or it is taking resistance. Look at the candle that it is forming. If it is as per the strategy, as per what I have shown you time and again, if it is as per that, go ahead and place your trade. Enter the market, put your stop loss in place, be ready to lose some amount of money to gain huge amount of money. So these are the learn to earn strategies. Watch all the other videos where I have shown you n number of examples. I'm also planning to go deep into this strategy, an advanced level of RSI support and resistance strategy. Over there, we will see at very different level of examples, and those examples will make you question whether I should take the trade or no. But it only matters if you have experienced it yourself and you have placed your trades in the market. What you have learned from it, what you have learned from these videos that I put, and a small part is also played by the price action. Price action is very important, but that's a huge topic and a very different type of analysis that one can do. Okay, so watch this video again, share it with your friends, share it with the people that you trade with, and if you have a team of people who trade and who are looking for good better strategies, you can also share it with them and try to make money. Okay, don't be scared. Listen to me, don't be scared to make money in the stock market. Just that you should know where you're going to exit, how much you're going to lose, and how much you're going to win. Okay, it's all a probability game, there is no guesswork. Okay, I'll leave you for now and see you in the next video.